Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. Sorry it's been a while. I have another cold and I've also moved house, so there's been quite a lot going on. Today I wanted to make pumpkin and ginger soup in my new slow cooker, and also I had a beer bread sachet pack to try out as well. To begin with, we need 1 onion finely chopped. You're going to cook that off for 3 to 4 minutes until it's soft, then season it with salt and pepper. We're then going to add 3 cloves of garlic finely chopped. You want about 5 centimeters of ginger, peeled and finely chopped, chili flakes, just a pinch, and a cinnamon stick, and you're going to cook that off for a few seconds. So we'll just add the Ninja Foodi does do the sauteing and cooking for you, so it's sort of less things to wash, which is lovely. I couldn't find a pumpkin for this recipe, so I have used a butternut squash. That's about 900 grams. That'll be going in once you've cooked all of the previous ingredients for a few seconds. Once you're happy with all of that, we will be adding 600 ml of hot vegetable stock and putting it in your slow cooker. It'll be 6 to 8 hours on low or 4 hours on a high. Once it's all cooked, you're going to remove that cinnamon stick and blitz it. So we now have our chili beer bread mix from the Jar House. I think you can buy these online, but I did get this from the National Trust. It's literally throw it in a bowl and put 330 ml of room temperature beer, whatever you choose, and then stick it in a 2-pound loaf tin at 190 degrees for 45 to 50 minutes. This is what the bread looked like once it had come out. It was actually quite nice bread. My only concern was the fact it didn't prove at all, but it came out all right. Just obviously make sure you've mixed all the flour in very well. I had a lump in mine. This is the soup once I'd blitzed it. It was a really nice soup. I would say it had a bit of heat to it, a bit of spice. Obviously, if you don't like spicy things, don't add the chili, but the ginger did give it a bit of a spiciness as well. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you try any of this, and if you have a Ninja Foodi and like some more recipes. As always, stay safe, and I will see you in the next one.